24 hours, more than 24 hours na.
Welcome to LuvLiNes.
Family. Nilagyan ko ng tubig sa pixel, tapos set aside natin for 24 hours. And then, next 24 hours, mga 2 days. Yan. Ilang oras na? Mga 22 hours. Ano yun? 22 hours. Plus 22 hours na. 24 hours? More than 24 hours na. How this mango look like? Mango beans look like this way. Mahaba na yung kanyang mga beans. 50 hours. After 50 hours. 2 days and 2 hours. So, ayan. Masaya ako. Meron na akong sprouted mango. For tomorrow. And maybe later. Ayan. Meron isa dito na hubaran na. Ayan. Nahubara na. More than 1 inch na yung haba ng munggo na to. Project yan ng high school eh. Elementary ba o high school?
Gumawa ng letter. Bakit pa kailangan ng letter?
Pag ginalo na, may lalabas pa.
Oo, lalabas.
Yung human resource. Nasabi sa akin eh. Kaya gusto man niya maging kapiling kayo.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.